Hi, my name is TJ Wolf and I do Linux and hardware, and I cannot believe it, but I saved up my money and I am doing a new PC build, and I will show you what it is right now. I am getting an Intel 8th Gen Core i7 8700K, and I'm not going to be overclocking it because I just I think 3.7 gigahertz, and it goes up to 4.7 in turbo and stock. I think that's good enough. I just not familiar with overclocking, and plus it shortens the lifespan of the CPU, so I'm not really comfortable right now, but I might in the future overclock at some point, but I just want my processor to live a long and happy life, so that's why I'm not. And for the motherboard, I am picking a Gigabyte Z370 Aorus Gaming 7, a Gigabyte board, and I've heard awesome things about this Gigabyte, and I know a lot of people have used Gigabyte boards, and an awesome YouTuber named of Terry Tech, and please go check him out and everything. So this is the motherboard that I am going to be using, and for the water cooler I am going to be using the NZXT Kraken X62 all-in-one 280mm CPU liquid cooler system, and I went with this for one thing because I've used Corsair water coolers before. The first one I had was the H100, and then I moved up to the H110 GT, and the one I have in there is cool, but it just seems loud to me, and I had it up on the top, but then I moved it to the front, and I put more fans in on the top, but unfortunately that didn't help the sound at all. I'm not sure if it's a pump or if it's supposed to be that loud. Maybe it is, and I just think it should be more quieter, so I'm not really sure. Anyway, we'll see when I put this bad boy in. So for the case, I've heard many awesome things about this case from YouTubers, including Terry Tech, who's a YouTuber. Please check him out on his channel. And I got the Phanteks P400S Silent Edition with tempered glass, and this one has the fan controllers all in it. I like that, what it has, and I like everything. It has it includes all the LED strips in it already, so you can change the color to variety colors. have a rainbow out or pulsing or just a static color. I think that's awesome. So I can't wait for this thing. And so for the RAM, I picked the G-Scale Trident Z RGB series. This lights up. However, the thing about RGB stuff is I don't think the software will work in Linux, so unfortunately you would have to set it in Windows, and then once you go into Linux it'll be set. And if you would want to change the color, unfortunately you would have to go back into Windows install, because I don't think there is a program out yet. So anyway, and for the video card, I actually had this last year and I paid $500 for it, and I got the EVGA GeoForce GTX 1070 FTW2 Gaming, and it's actually this should be an awesome card to play games with, but I might upgrade in the future and swap it out for a 1080. I'm looking into the Asus Strix ROG card, so I might upgrade that in the future. So yeah, this is what I have all picked out, and hopefully when it's all done I can show you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully all this new hardware will improve my channel. And thank you guys, all subscribers, and for subscribing. I couldn't have done it without you guys, and I like putting out videos and everything. So thank you guys very much, and I will see you for the next video really soon. Bye now.